Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use AI tools for video editing. There are plenty of AI video editors available, but I'm going to show you this one called Focal, and this one is really good for video editing and it has AI features in it. Once you get to its website, you can just simply click on get started and just simply sign up using your Google account and you will get to this page. There you have to click on create a project and start creating your first project. Now on this page you will get this prompt section. In this prompt section you have to simply write your idea on which you want the video to be created. It could be anything, whatever you want to, just simply type it and it will create a video onto it. You can go as much detail as you would like to. If you want very much detail about your video, so just simply explain your idea and it will create a video. But before that you have to also give it some instructions. Like the first one is for the duration, how long you want the duration to be. You can set as per your preferences. Then you can select the speech style if you want the narration or you want the dialogue. Then in the template you have to place the link of the video from where you have taken the inspiration. Like you have seen a video, you want something to be created similar to it, just simply paste the link so it will try to copy the style of that video. Then you can choose either you want to do it from scratch or you have a script. So it's up to you whatever option you would like to go with. If you go without a script, then you have to explain every single scene. You can see there's a lot of option, so you have to type every single scene. Like in that scene you want that specific thing, so you can explain everything. But if you go with a script, then you can just simply create something very easily. So if you want to start with a script, once you click onto it, then further you have to paste your script. Make sure it is already written. If not, then you can just simply type at the moment and paste it. And after that, in the language you can choose which language you want, and you can also choose the speech or the voice style. Then you can choose the video style. There are different options available. You can choose as per your preferences or whatever you would like to. Then you can choose the aspect ratio. You can choose if you want the captions or not. You can also choose the different AI models within that, and you can also choose the voice precision. And after that you can also choose the quality effect. Once you're done, click on create video, and once the video gets created you will be able to use it anywhere you would like to. So that's it. This is how you can use AI video tools for PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.